Why do swings, guitar strings, and even your heartbeat follow the same repeating pattern no matter how different they look? Take a small coin or keychain, tie it to a thread, hold it still, then let it go. Watch how it moves, back and forth in a smooth rhythm. That simple motion explains waves, sound, clocks, and even AC electricity. When something moves back and forth repeatedly, that's an oscillation. But physics focuses on one special, predictable type: simple harmonic motion. In SHM, there's always a force pulling the object back to the center, and the farther you pull it away, the stronger that force becomes. Pull the pendulum a little, weak pull back. Pull it far, strong pull back. Release it, perfect rhythmic motion. This is why a swing returns to the middle, why a spring bounces smoothly, and why a guitar string vibrates with a clean tone. SHM is everywhere: car suspensions absorbing bumps, watch oscillators keeping time, your heartbeat staying in rhythm, and AC voltage switching direction 50-60 times per second. The beauty of SHM is that once the motion starts, we can predict everything: the timing, the speed, the energy, the rhythm. And this exact rhythmic motion is what creates waves: sound waves, water waves, and even electromagnetic waves. In the next lesson, we'll connect these oscillations to the world of waves, where this simple back and forth motion becomes the foundation of almost every signal and sound in the world.